Oh my God, these people! My God, the freaking Hurricane Matthews. What are they doing? What is they doing? I'm recording this thing.
No, don't video record it.
There's freaking Hurricane Matthew over here while these people are coming up with a plan. Idiots. Like,
My video take over here.
like, look at these people. This is so dumb. I mean, okay, Hurricane Matthew. See, look. Water is flooding over here. Our fence is over here. And the whole
And a
entire
trampoline just literally broke the window.
and all the fences are over there. A girl's car's window broke.
And stop pointing at us.
Go. Dang. I mean, a trampoline broke, man. And a tree fell down.
Yeah, literally. You take that trampoline over there.
Like what? Oh, damn. So, yeah, this is Hurricane Matthew, and, like, I'm pretty sure you guys heard it on the news.
And if you didn't,
Then you're done. I mean,
and pretty much everybody's talking about it.
and, like, do you see that tree over there? I don't know if you
It
can.
fell down.
I mean, just pause and, like, try to zoom into it. Like, do you see that? And, like, a trampoline fell down. Now I can't point over there. But, like, in our whole, like, it's.
Actually, you can get a view right here.
Yeah, hang on. Try and get a video.
Way over there in that yard.
Yeah. And,
Let me see it. Mom, it's blown off the hinges. I'm trying to get this to stay where it won't be opening all the time.
I mean,
This is running wild in the background.
like, guys, I live in Hurricane Alley, and this is like the first hurricane I've ever seen. Oh God.
Yeah, we haven't
Once
reached
is-
the eye yet.
Yeah, we haven't reached the eye yet. First the eye. Eye of the storm. Dun, dun, dun. There's freaking holes in wait, no, was that holes?
Where?
In that house.
No, those are leaves.
Oh, like there's leaves in there, guys. That's the ramen noodle cup went all the way down here. The ramen noodle cup went all the way down there.
Oh my gosh. Whoever ate these ramen noodles, like, don't litter.
Stop littering, bro. Like, me and Hayden saw people go into people's backyards. Then there's like a whole line of them going down here.
Yeah, it's like there's like a live event or something.
Yeah, it's like a Boy Scout club over here. Bruh. Bruh, did you see this?
What's that hammer at?
The mallet.
Got another nail?
Oh, there it is.
Get another nail.
No, I got to let me do it, please.
Mom, it's gonna blow.
That thing here.
Don't listen to me.
It really,
It's gonna blow it back on.
it really broke that part of the door.
It tore the plant
That almost ripped off.
tore the plant down. It made all this
So when it
clothes wet.
maybe you listen to me. It's gonna
Except this part's dry.
I know, like the whole entire thing was flooded. This is it for Hurricane Matthew #idiots.
But it's only one.
#screw Matthew. Okay, guys, bye. See you in the next video.